open window through which pours the sunlight of human spirit and human dignity. A very good morning to all present, to our respected principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, our primary head, Reverend Sister Prakashita, and pre-primary head, Reverend Sister Sharon Madhya, and my dear colleague mates. A very warm welcome to all of you as we come together to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of India. This day, marked by the implementation of the Indian Constitution on 26th January 1950, stand as a monumental milestone in the history of our nation. It was the day when India was officially declared as sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic, reflecting the vision of an inclusive and progressive society. Today, we pay tribute to the architects of our constitution, led by the legendary leader Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whose tireless effort gifted us a framework of governance that upholds the value of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Their unparalleled commitment continues to inspire us as we strive to build a nation that is strong, united and resilient. Republic Day is not merely a day of celebration, but a reminder of our responsibilities as a citizen. It beckons us to uphold the principle enshrined in our Constitution and work collectively for the prosperity of our nation. I am deeply honored to welcome you all on this day. Your presence adds immense value to this event. As we begin today's program, let us rekindle the spirit of patriotism and commitment toward the ideals of our republic. Let us salute the tricolor that embodies the courage, peace and progress of our nation. To conclude, I leave you with these inspiring lines. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Thank you everyone. A very happy Republic Day.
Republic Day marks the adoption of India's constitution and the transition of country to a republic on January 26, 1950. The theme of the tableaus at the Republic Day Parade 2025 is Swarnim Bharat, Vikas or Virasat. It's Golden India, Heritage and Progress. It emphasizes India's rich cultural legacy while highlighting its strides in development and modernization. We are proud Indians. We are proud to be Indians.
under the tricolor of a great nation. As we celebrate the values and achievements of India, to formally welcome everyone to this special event, I, along with our talented students, am honored to deliver the word of welcome.
Our worthy director, Reverend Father Thomas Pachalis, our esteemed principal, Reverend Sister Kristen Maria, our beloved primary in charge, Reverend Sister Prakashita, our kindergarten in charge, Reverend Sister Sharon Maria, respected teachers and my loving friends. I, Gurleen Kaur, standing along with my friend Navya Sharma, welcomes you all to this remarkable event. Gurleen, how blissful this morning is, where we are gathered to celebrate Republic Day, a day of immense pride and patriotism for every Indian. On 26 January 1950, India adopted its constitution, a set of rules and principles that guide our country. This day marks the birth of India as a sovereign, democratic republic governed by laws made by the people for the people. India is a republican, and we have got this title after the enforcement of our constitution. A grand program is organized at Delhi's Kartavya Path, where the national anthem and various cultural programs are followed by the hosting of the flag. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete our constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known to be the father of Indian constitution. We got independence in 1947, but in true sense it was 1950 when we got freedom in terms of our fundamental rights. Republic Day was and always will be an important event for us. Indeed, this is a day to remember the vision of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and the countless freedom fighters who dreamed of an independent and just nation. Let us take a moment to honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. This melodious symphony echoes in our heart as we welcome the 76th Republic Day with open arms, low-fit spirits and hopeful eyes. Now I would like to invite Navit and Parvin to present a poem commemorating the theme of the year, Golden India, Heritage and Development.
A dream we carry in our hearts so strong. One day our India will rise like an unstoppable eagle, soaring above the horizon of limited resources and limitless potential. As we the chosen ones stand against the storm of illusion and delusion, to uphold our esteemed and priceless constitution. Spread our wings and proceed towards the cultivated level of a developed nation. Let's not forget our roots, our culture, and our irreducible heritage, which reminds us that no matter how fragile our branches may appear. Dear friends and respectable teachers, let's have a look at our achievements so far and acknowledge those who have made us immensely proud as citizens of a resilient India. In 2024 to 2025 so far, India has achieved remarkable milestones across each sector. Space exploration, top satellites in orbit, advancing space services. ISRO also launched ELA program 3 mission to study distance corona. The Pushpak launch vehicle was successfully tested, reducing mission costs.
Defense, enhanced naval strength with new submarines, destroyers and frigates. Successfully tested a hypersonic missile, joining an elite group of nations.
Advancements, exploration of EV models for lowering pollution level. National Quantum Mission was launched with the aim of a higher global innovation ranking. Projected
Imagine live with the Grand Prix at Cannes and earned the Golden Globe nomination. The 55th edition of International Film Festival in Goa introduced a new category for debut directors and celebrated the global cinema with over 180 films from 81 countries. By October 2024, the PM Shri scheme was implemented in 10,855 schools across India, aiming to improve the quality of education, and infrastructure. The government abolished no detention policy. The 2024-25 budget allocated an unprecedented 1.48 lakh crores to education, skilling and employment generation, marking a substantial increase from previous years. Historic T20 World Cup after 11 years defeating South Africa in the finale, Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in Paris Olympics 2024. India achieved its silver performance at Paris 2024 at Paralympics, winning 29 medals including 7 gold. India hosted and won the inaugural Kho-Kho World Cup in 2025 with both men's and women's teams crowned as champions.
With such marvelous accomplishments, India is gradually becoming a leading force in various fields, transcending boundaries which were once unfathomable. We hope that our age-old traditions, our diverse population, and a unified world will strengthen the resolve to make our country a world leader in coming years. Let's build a new India and sing the cause of Viksit Bharat with the motto Mera Bharat Meri Takat.
It's the destiny of our nation, the right to vote. Today, 25th January is Voters' Day. We vote to choose people who will help to make our country a better place. By voting to the right person, we can make a huge difference. Here's a ballot box. Hi friends, I'm a ballot box. A ballot box is basically a box with a slip for putting ballot paper during election. I am a ballot box. A ballot box is stronger than a bullet. And give your vote. Vote for future. Vote for development. Vote for better India. If you do not vote, you lose the right to complain. Vote को ठीक ताकत है. to present the theme of this year Republic Day, the heritage and development.
My name is Abdul. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Abdul. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jaswindar. just with that. I'm from Chandigarh, I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is India. I'm from India. My name is India. I'm from India. I speak Hindi and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
Jessica, today we are all gathered here, not just to celebrate, but to enlighten the spirit of our nation through the captivation of.
Yes, Preeti, no celebration is complete without lively performance. And today we have an amazing patriotic dance by our talented students of class 4. Please give them a big round of applause.
इतिहास का मैं आईना तहसीब का रंग सुनहरा गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं कल भी था मैं आज भी हूँ मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूँ सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूँ मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ मैं बेटी की मुस्कान में हूँ मैं नारी के सम्मान में हूँ विज्ञान में और किसान में हूँ हर वीर में और जवान में हूँ मैं सीमाओं का पहरा हूँ मैं नए भारत का चेहरा हूँ मैं नए भारत का चेहरा मैं नए भारत का चेहरा सुन लिया वो भारत मेरा
Performance. Now the most awaited moment is here. On this momentous occasion, we are honored to have a worthy principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, who will now share her insightful message with us. Please welcome our respected principal with a big round of applause.
Dear members of the staff and my dear loving students, today we have gathered here to celebrate the Republic Day of our great nation. Counting from 1950, when the Constitution was first adopted, 2025 will be India's 76th Republic Day. This milestone is significant as it coincides with 75 years since the Constitution's inception, making it an especially historic year for the nation. Each year, the Indian government selects a theme for Republic Day: Golden India, Heritage and Development. Let us reflect on the theme of this year: Golden India, Heritage and Development. This theme beautifully encapsulates the essence of our country, celebrating the rich cultural heritage that defines our identity and acknowledging the remarkable strides we have taken in our journey of progress. India is a land of extraordinary diversity, vibrant traditions and deep-rooted values that have stood the test of time. From the architectural marvels of ancient India to the proud philosophies and teachings that the world cherishes today, our heritage is a treasure trove of wisdom and pride. At the same time, India is steadily moving forward, embracing innovation, technology and growth in every sphere. We are witnessing an era of development where science and technology, education and infrastructure are driving us towards a brighter and more prosperous future. This balance between honoring our heritage and embracing modernity is what makes India truly unique. As students, you are the torchbearers of this vision of a golden India. It is your responsibility to uphold our traditions while contributing to the development of a better tomorrow. And remember, even the smallest act of responsibility, kindness or excellence adds to the collective progress of our nation. On this Republic Day, let us pledge to be proud citizens who respect our Constitution, honor our heritage, and work tirelessly towards the growth and harmony of our beloved nation. Together, let us strive to make India a shining example of unity, progress, and resilience. May the tricolor flag always fly high, and may each one of us contribute to the golden India we all dream of. Jai Hind.
The citizens of India, having abiding
the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language or any inducement. Jai Hind.
Inspiring Republic Day celebration, it is my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would love to honor our worthy director, Reverend Father Thomas Pachalal, for this occasion. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, for their constant guidance and support in making this event a great success. Also for their warmly delighted and enlightening words. Actually, she's not just the backbone of this institution, but also a true visionary, a guide, and inspiration to all of us. It is under her dynamic leadership that we are able to reach new heights of success. Her unwavering dedication to the development of both students and staff is something we all deeply admire. Thank you, sister, for always being our pillar of strength and motivation. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our esteemed primary head, Reverend Sister Prakashita, and kindergarten head, Reverend Sister Sharon Maria, for gracing this occasion with their presence. A big thank you to all the teachers and staff members who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that every part of this program was flawless. And to our talented performers, your dedication and energy made this day unforgettable. Thank you for your hard work and enthusiasm. And finally, to all the students and audience members present in here, thank you so much for being here and making this celebration so vibrant and meaningful for us. As we leave, let us remember the sacrifices of our great leaders and pledge to uphold the values enshrined in our Constitution. Let us all work together to make our motherland India proud. Thank you to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
dear children, as we approach Republic Day, it is essential for us to familiarize ourselves with the distinguished guest who honors this occasion, the President of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto. He is going to be the guest at the Republic Day Parade on 26 January. As we come to the close of today's celebration, a big thank you to everyone, our esteemed dignitaries, staff and students who contributed to make this event meaningful and memorable. Your dedication and participation embody the true spirit of this day, reminding us of the values and vision our Constitution upholds. As we conclude, let us all carry the message of unity, peace and patriotism beyond the celebration into our everyday's life. On this Republic Day, let's pledge to do our part in contributing to growth and glory of our nation. Thank you everyone for being here and making this event a success. Let us all rise for the national anthem.